oh, it's too late, like you have to get discovered when you're like 12. It's not true. It's literally not true at all. The job you're working isn't your dream life. The friends around you aren't your dream life. The money in your bank account isn't your dream life. You have settled. But it is not too late to change. Let's talk about it.
Good morning. Oh, big stretch, big stretch.
Your dreams stay alive as long as you keep them alive. When I was in community college, there were so many older people that were in the college. I think that's what I liked a lot about community college. It was like really diverse in ages, because I went to my community college when I was I think 17, because I pulled myself out of the high school and went there full time. So I got my diploma and my AA at the same time. It wasn't because I was smart, okay? It was because I was a troublemaker. But then I found this program, and best thing that could have happened. But while I was there were so many older people literally just like starting their AAs, and they were probably, I don't know, ranging from like 35 to like 50 in some of my classes. It just made me feel like, okay, so it's like, it's really never too late, because even when I was in college at that time, I was like, oh, I'm not getting anywhere with this. This is stupid. I don't even have a plan for this. Everyone in high school already knows what they want to be. And I was just like, I just want to get my AA. I just want to just finish this and just be fucking done with it, because it doesn't really fucking matter. If I keep feeling like that there's this like timeline and I have to do this by then and I have to figure it out by 30 years old, which I'm about to be 30 this month, then all of a sudden that deadline comes and it's like, I didn't meet the deadline. It's too late. I'm a failure. But it's like, what the fuck? Like, life is barely starting. Like life is really short, but at the same time, like, you literally can completely change directions and change your fucking life overnight, which is hopefully what I'm doing here. Fingers crossed, right? Well, it's not about crossing my fingers, it's about actually putting in the fucking work. But like completely giving up and feeling like it's too late, that's not part of my destiny. I know that much. I know that I still have a chance. And I know that everybody else still has a fucking chance. It's never too fucking late.
And though it's not too late to ever chase your dreams or do something that you love, it does take some work. That's a little bit better. Doing something you love requires work. It doesn't just get handed to you on a platter. And if something probably is handed to you on a platter, you probably don't want to do that thing. So for me, the little steps that I'm taking for my dream of doing this is I have editing times and days that I like to just literally focus on editing. I have days where I like to just shoot, where I just focus on shooting and filming and recording, whether it's like on my phone or on my cameras, because it helps these little tiny steps towards the dream life that I want to live. Otherwise, I get over fucking whelmed, because content creation and doing this is actually so much fucking work. It takes a lot. But I love all the steps to it. So what I normally do is I sit down here, I offload my memory cards onto these hard drives that I have, and I organize my footage that way, and then I edit on my PC, because my PC is more powerful than my laptop that I have. If you have the money for a PC, get one built or build one, because it is a game changer when it comes to editing, especially if you're using like Adobe. I don't know. It's made my life easier. Okay. So for me doing this though, it's so much fun. Like, it's not like a job to me. Even though I'm not literally paid, I literally do this for free, for fun, because I literally just enjoy it. Literally sitting here and just being creative, looking for music, writing, editing, like, it's all fun for me. It's hella work if you want to like take it seriously, because that's just reality of content creation, but it's all so fun. But that's how I just keep myself from getting like overwhelmed with the amount of fucking shit that you have to do in order to be a content creator. If you're trying to be a content creator and maybe that's why you found my videos, I think that you have to just build a system that fucking works for you, because one system that works for one content creator might not work for you. I don't know everything about content creation, like I'm still figuring it out, but everyone will have their own formula and their own way of going about creating content consistently. Consistency for one person means one thing, consistency for another person means another thing. It just depends on the time you have and the time that you want to put into doing this shit. It's a lot of work, okay? Actually editing my vlog from yesterday today, it's all in here, but I'm just finishing my editing right now. I didn't start it yet, but I think it's gonna be a little bit easier than yesterday's vlog. That way I'm gonna post it today while I am literally filming this one. It's a vlog about a vlog. Vlogception. I'm just not trying to like overcomplicate it because I tend to overcomplicate it. I am here just to build repetition, consistency, and eventually I'll have like that perfect formula plan that literally just works for me. But right now, this is working. I'm trying to give myself like the least resistance. Those are the small steps that I'm taking to create my dream life and make my dreams a reality. What is with this lamp? Your dream life doesn't just happen overnight. Your dreams don't just come overnight. Like you have to do these little steps to just get there. It's just about consistency and getting better and better every day. Each video will get better and better. It'll get easier and easier. And then when that really good video happens, it's like I have all these other videos already done, and then I just continue doing what I'm doing. So the point is just to create and share and just improve. Like that's literally what content creation is. Some people, they figure out their rhythm with content like really fast, but other people, like myself, we like overthink and we like doubt ourselves and we're like, oh, my dreams of doing this are stupid. Like this isn't even possible. But like, I know it's possible because I see new people getting famous with content every single day. Like recently, I don't remember his name, but he's like this old guy and he has like a shop. I can't remember his name, but I found it on TikTok and he's on YouTube. And his page, they blew it up overnight. There it goes again. His page, they blew it up overnight. And all those videos that he made, like they're all really great videos, just like he just wasn't getting the reach at the time. But now all his videos are like over 100,000 views at least. And he's like an old man. If people like that, who you might think it's too late, can do it, then literally anybody can do it. Anybody can make anything fucking happen. But like for a long time, even with singing, I felt like, oh, it's too late. Like you have to get discovered when you're like 12, but like it's not true. It's literally not true at all. There's so many artists, there's so many creatives that get their, you know, special day later in life. But the point is like they kept showing up and they kept doing what they love doing, literally for free. Regardless of what they were getting back from it, they were literally just doing it because they were like, I love this shit. I'm gonna keep doing this shit. I haven't figured it out entirely yet, but I know this is what I'm supposed to be doing. You know the quote, dreams don't work unless you do. So true. Well, I hope this topic was an interesting / good one to hear like my perspective on it. I'd love if you guys dropped a like or a comment or even a subscribe. I don't know if you've already done that because I want to see the same people come back. That'd be awesome. As I go on this journey of like trying to make content creation like my full-time job, I'd love to inspire others to do the same thing and do something that they truly love in life and not just settle for a mediocre life that they know that they don't want. I just like doing this shit. I just like creating. So hopefully this reaches the right people. That's the end of today's video. I shall go finish editing and posting yesterday's. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.